two security giants. One decision that could protect everything. Which one really delivers? On the left, McAfee. Multifaceted protection trusted by families and power users. And on the right, Avira. Efficient, intuitive, and powered by the cloud for lightning-fast security. Let's skip the jargon and get to the real insights. Each round earns points, and by the end, you'll see exactly which antivirus takes the lead. The result just might surprise you.
Here's the battle plan. We're comparing McAfee and Avira across 7 important categories. First, malware protection, because duh, that's the basics. Then, features and tools, system performance, family and parental controls, ease of use, pricing and value, and finally, privacy plus VPN options. Stick with me. You'll know exactly which one comes out on top, scene by scene. Let's start with the big one, malware protection. All right, so McAfee is kind of famous for robust defense. Like in the real world, it blocks about 99.8% up to literally 100% of threats. Covers all your devices, PC, Mac, and even your phone. But if you run a full scan, you might actually feel your system slow down a bit. Now, Avira, oh, here's something cool. Their cloud-based scanner barely touches your system's resources. And in independent tests, it blocked 100% of threats. It's snappy, but not all the heavy scanning gets pushed to the cloud. Your CPU might still work a little overtime for some stuff. Bottom line, both are killer on malware, but Avira is just a touch lighter. But this round is way too close to call. Still, McAfee edges just ahead, probably on the legacy and consistency. Moving over to features and tools. So, McAfee? This thing is stacked. Parental controls, encrypted storage, file shredder, like you can wipe your files for good. There's also a performance optimizer, a VPN if you go premium, and identity monitoring. But not everything's perfect. Some features are kind of locked behind auto-renew, and weirdly, no ransomware-specific shield. Avira, though, is almost like a toolkit for your PC. Password manager on the free plan, anti-ransomware, payment and banking protection, app updater, and solid performance extras. Still, it's missing encrypted storage, and parental controls are pretty light. Plus, you need to pay extra for a beefy VPN. So, McAfee is just ridiculous on features, especially if you want that all-in-one vibe. This round, no contest. McAfee takes it. Let's talk about system performance. McAfee does okay. Most of the time, you won't notice it ticking away, but wow. Run a full scan and suddenly everything's a bit laggy, especially if your computer's a few years old. And yeah, resource spikes are a thing here. Now, Avira, honestly, this is its playground. Because a lot of the scanning happens in the cloud, your actual computer feels way faster, and you get some optimization tools to keep things running smooth. Huge win if you're a gamer or your laptop isn't the latest. Drawback? The VPN can sometimes drag your browser speed down a little. Still, this category is a slam dunk for Avira. Quick fact break. Did you know Avira actually got started in Germany back in 1986? McAfee started just a year later in California. Both of these have been at the security game for more than 35 years. Wild, right? Next up, family and parental controls. So, McAfee's putting in work here. Full parental controls, web filter, time limits, even tracking. Plus, premium plans mean you can toss the app on basically every device your family owns. Some stuff, like more advanced controls, are only at higher tiers, so watch out for that. Avira? This is for the solo flyers. It's great if you know your way around your device, but zero parental controls. Nothing. Sorry, parents. McAfee crushes it here, hands down. All right, now let's talk ease of use and interface. McAfee is definitely modern. It looks clean and has a quick setup wizard for the impatient among us. But man, with all those features, it can be kind of intimidating for newbies, you know? On the flip side, Avira's like everything's right where you expect it. Super streamlined. Even if you're installing antivirus for the first time, you'll get it. Smart Scan is especially quick and just tells you what's up, straight. It might not have as many deep settings, but most people won't care. So, this one, gotta give it to Avira. It just nails simplicity. Okay. Pricing and value. McAfee's got some power plans, and you get those family and identity perks if you pay for premium. Problem? It's pricey, especially if you want every bell and whistle. And the best deals? Usually if you pay for more years or enable auto-renew. So, yeah. But Avira, oh man. The free version alone is super generous. Plus, they have regular discounts, like almost half off, or a 60-day money-back guarantee if you're not feeling it. Paid tiers are reasonable, and honestly, you get a lot. To me, Avira gives you much more bang for your buck. Last main category, privacy and VPN. McAfee throws in a VPN if you pay for the higher plans, and I do appreciate that identity monitoring, especially if you're in the US. But the VPN is sort of basic unless you pick the bigger package. Avira's Phantom VPN, on the other hand, is surprisingly sturdy. 256-bit AES encryption, strict no logs. It's snappy for casual streaming, but yeah, your internet speed can dip up to 25 or 30%. And don't expect to always get into every streaming platform. But overall, Avira's privacy game is a bit stronger here.
Just looking at the radar chart, you can totally see the strengths. McAfee looks like a powerhouse for families and feature hunters, while Avira is dominating on system speed, simplicity, and overall value. The right choice is seriously going to come down to your vibe and what you care about most.
Okay, so here's how I see it. If you want big-time coverage, you have a whole family's worth of devices, or you just want every bell and whistle, McAfee is king. But if you're after powerful protection, don't want your laptop to turn into a jet engine every time you scan, and maybe you're on a budget, Avira is honestly awesome. And that free tier alone hits hard. So pick your winner based on your needs, but Avira quietly walks away with more wins in these head-to-heads.
If you know someone stuck choosing Antivirus or just confused about all the options, seriously, send them this comparison. Save them the headache. Let them see what actually works in 2025.